Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you guys how to delete Facebook account permanently. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Open that Facebook account you want to delete, and after opening, then click on this icon, settings and privacy, settings, and now click on your Facebook information and scroll down to the bottom. Then you will find this option, deactivation and deletion. So you have to click on this option, and from here you will get two options. One is deactivate account and another is delete account, and this is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, then you have to select this option and now click on continue to account deletion, and after that click on delete account. Here you have to put your Facebook password, and after putting your Facebook password here, click on continue. Then your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.